Welcome back, guys. Today we are going to take you with us to one of the most scenic and beautiful highways in Central America, Highway 12. So let's hit the pedal and get right into this video. Route 12 is among the few highways that gets recognized as an all-American road by the US. Spanning a length of 122 miles, this highway starts off at Panguitch and ends all the way at Torrey. We started off our journey on Highway 12 after visiting Bryce Canyon National Park. Driving a few miles down this highway, you reach the city called Cannonville, where you have an option of taking a little detour and exploring the nearby Kodachrome Basin State Park. This state park uniquely describes the Utah's landscape, and best of all, it's less crowded.
Kodachrome State Park, and about to do the Angels Palace Trail, which is a 1.5 mile trail, hopefully offering some stunning views of the Red Rocks.
And it's offering some stunning views of the Kodachrome Basin and of the Bryce Canyon.
Yeah, apparently this is a good place for photographers or just watching sunset. Won't be here for sunset, but still, there's no one on this trail. We were the only ones parked in the parking lot.
This state park is probably underrated as compared to the nearby Bryce Canyon National Park, but has equally good landscapes and beauty, if not better. Among the top hikes here are the Panorama Trail and the Angels Palace Trail. But when we got here, we found that the Panorama Trail was closed, and so we decided to just go on the ones that was open during that day. The Angels Palace Trail is more of a walk than a hike, as it covers a length of about 1.5 miles with a meager elevation gain. But the views of the basin and of the surrounding park is beautiful from the top of this hike.
Oh, look at this daredevil. There we go.
Since we were the only ones on the trail here, and the trail path was not quite clearly laid out, we were quite confused and were just hopping from one spot to another.
So guys, we finished the trail. What do you have to say about it?
The views were pretty, for sure, but not as pretty as Arches or Bryce Canyon National Park.
Yeah, so it said that we'll get views of Bryce Canyon National Park, but not really. It was quite at a distance.
Yeah.
So you might need binoculars to
Exactly.
see. Otherwise, it was good.
Yeah, the best part is that it's not crowded at all, like the other national parks.
Let's go to our next destination.
After having visited Kodachrome State Park, we drove further into Highway 12 and onto our next destination in the city called Escalante. There are a few things to visit in this small city, the top one being the Escalante Petrified Forest State Park.
Now we are at the Escalante State Park. Nothing much to do here, we realized.
The petrified forest at Escalante.
And there's no one here actually.
Yeah. And we have a big reservoir which is all frozen, as you can see.
As expected, we didn't find any audience here, and we found that the state park was closed, and so we decided to just wander around.
Breaking ice. Breaking Bad.
Throw it on the snow.
Stopped here at a scenic viewpoint, and it is quite scenic. So we're still on Route 12, Highway 12, and this is the view from this turnout. Isn't this spectacular? That path, that is the Highway 12. This is pretty.
path.
I know, you can see the highway tour winding around the mountains. And I think when we go in that region, it will be even more beautiful.
So as this billboard tells us, this road was built between 1933 and 1942. This road right here. You see, and it took a lot of work. You know, here it says crews blasted through sandstone ledges down to Escalante River, and it took many tons of dynamite to complete. Very impressive. Skill, sweat and dynamite is what it takes to build this beautiful road along the scenic byway.
This part of the drive on Highway 12 is without a doubt the most amazing path that we've ever driven. And as I mentioned earlier, Highway 12 is among the few all-American roads in US. Only 1/3 of America's scenic byways get this distinction, and it's given because these roads offer unique features that you can't find anywhere else, making these byways tourist destinations. And as you keep driving on Highway 12, you ask yourself this question: what makes this so great? The sheer diversity of geography is incredible and unique to Utah and the United States. Scenic Byway 12 affords access to a number of national parks, state parks, national monuments, scenic overlooks, and plenty of great restaurants and shops. And one of the great things that I love about Highway 12 is that this road is open year-round, and as such, there are no fees to drive on this highway. Although some of the destinations and attractions along the way, which are off of the highway, may require entrance fee. Visiting Highway 12 originally was not a part of our plan. We are so glad we did it, and quite honestly, I think our Utah trip is finally complete. So make sure to put this on your bucket list the next time you visit Utah.
So guys, this brings us to the end of the 5th and the final episode in the Utah vlog series. If you haven't checked out our last 4 vlogs in this series, we highly recommend that you do that right now by clicking the link in the description below. We have shared our visits to some of the state's popular national parks, so do check them out. We are sure you're going to love them. Before you go, do not forget to hit the like button, press the bell icon so that you get notified the next time we upload a video, and if you are new on our channel, please subscribe to Forever Hum. We would love to connect with you on Instagram and Facebook. You can find the link to our handles in the description below. We'll see you next week with a new video. Till then, stay safe, take care.
Chocolate chip cookies, cheese plate, sandwich. So much snow.